Welcome to Legit Pay Online. If you are a beginner or you are new on my channel, please turn up the notification bell for more updates like this and how to make money online. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Also join our Telegram channel for more updates about airdrop and how to make money online. Without wasting much of our time, let's click on Daily Combo. Under Daily Combo, let's go to PR and team. And under the PR and team, our first card for today is CU, which is the first card under PR and team. So let's click on it and go ahead. So we've unlocked our first card for today. So now that we've unlocked our first card, so let's unlock our second card. Our second card for today is still under PR and team. So let's scroll down. So our second card is consensus. So let's scroll down. 2024. That's the logo on the card. So that's it. Let's click on it. Go ahead. Our second card for today has been unlocked. So our third card for today is under special. So let's go under special. So under special, let's go to new card. So under the new card, our third card is going to be Hamster Green Energy. That's our third card for today. Hamster Green Energy. So let's click on it. So let's click on it and go ahead. For those that haven't joined my Telegram channel for more updates, please do. It's in the description down below. Now that we've unlocked the third card, we can claim our token price for today. If you find this video so helpful for you, please don't forget to join our Telegram channel for more updates like this. Like, subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell for more updates. And anytime we drop any amazing video, you'll be the first person to notify. Thank you for watching the video from the beginning to the end. Remember that Allah Yomade loves you. Stay blessed and God bless. Peace.